Hopefully that's good gas. Okay, hit it, the switch a few times. Choke is on. Hopefully I don't have to pour fuel straight into it. I hope y'all were able to see me. I just sat it down because I didn't know where else to put you. Yeah, we're getting fuel in there. Yeah, that's fuel. Choke's on. That's on. I think that's right. Fuel is on. What? That was weird. It's on good. Might be bad gas. I wouldn't be surprised if it was. What if I did? On. I mean, it doesn't smell the best. It's not like gat. Got spark. Holes in it. Got spark. I have to pour some fuel down the car. Oh shit. Ugh. Oop, too much. Choke on. Okay, so it's a fuel delivery issue. We can fix that. Sweet. Might be a quad carb. But it was a little choppy, so I'll definitely check the oil before I do anything.
Back and looked at it. Sad you guys couldn't see this thing, but it runs. It came off the zip ties that are like zip tied to it. So we're having a fuel delivery issue. So I'm going to keep that in mind. Probably take the carb off, clean it, just make sure we're getting fuel in it. And I guess, what the hell was that? That was weird. And then we'll figure out what to do from there on. But I'm glad to see this thing finally starts. Gas issue. I just didn't have enough in it. I'm supposed to let this thing run for like 30 minutes at different speeds. But it looks like we're running a little bit rich. We are having some pumps. So it's going to definitely need an ignition stuff done. It's messing like a bitch too. So it's running rough, but it runs, and I'm betting $100. Oh shit! Yeah, we have a definite miss. So let's do this. Take off my jank coil. Put the spark plug socket back on it. I'm sorry guys, I didn't realize I was off too much. Ow. You know, there's a sign on it that says caution hot. I see why now. So I just crap out myself. And also it might need some new jetting. I don't know if the opening the intake will do that to it or not. Ugh. I'm not sure with these engines, because I've been reading about jetting all day and I'm not exactly sure when you need to start doing jet, because it seems like jetting starts at stage 1, but I've also seen a lot of guys not do anything to their carburetor. But I'm seeing these guys, they're doing a stage 1 with a governor, with a jetting, and it's coming out. It's coming out at like 40 some miles an hour. Oh, look at this. Spark plug seems to be fine. We have a little bit of black gunk starting to come up. So yeah, we're definitely getting a little bit of mist going. Might even be a good idea to just get a new spark plug. Go get a nice NGK. I'm getting a whole new ignition coil. We're going to get rid of this jank system that's on it. At least we know it runs and it works. Everything in this thing seems to be working pretty good. So now it's time to start getting parts in for it. And also to get my ass inside because it's starting to get freaking cold. So we'll put this over here. Put the ignition. Wait. It's a little toasty. It's not too bad. Get this back inside. Because I think all the fumes are out of it. Ugh. Ugh. But he's all ready to go. I'm going to check the inside of it with my light real quick. See if there's anything. And if I don't report back, it means it looks fine. And I'm guessing it is. So, good job.